Okay, Mike, this is what I want people to know, the specific answer, the solution that I thought of to the question that was asked of you or that you heard expressed. So would you say about the tool, nonviolent communication tool thing?
Yes. The common complaint I get as an NVC trainer is that NVC doesn't work. That when someone uses it, they end up making people more angry or more agitated. They get less connection instead of more. And I said, that's correct. NVC does not work. Because NVC is a tool. And tools don't work, people work using tools. Just like if I had a saw or a knife or a computer, and I want to get results from that thing, I need to understand how those things are best used, and then I need to practice use. So if someone gives me a hammer and I just start nailing, I'm liable to miss the nail a lot initially, and sometimes I may even bang my thumb. And I could claim this hammer doesn't work. And I'd be right.
It's not.
I would be right. The hammer does not work. I have more to learn about using the hammer, and I have more practice, and that I could use to get better at hammering nails. And if I understand good use by learning it from someone who has used hammers a lot, and then I practice what I've learned about using hammers well, then I can get very good at using hammers and find that I can drive nails whenever I please, and I'm satisfied with the results. NVC is the same. It's a hammer. It's a tool just like a hammer, and very effective when used well, in my experience.
And by the well, and this is true for me too, and by the well, working well, what I think that means, or what it means to me, is that if we are establishing the quality of connection, where we're understanding each other, we're listening to each other, things are working, it doesn't matter whether you're using nonviolent communication or speaking some foreign language. It's the connection, the quality of connection, and the 3 tools, not rules of the withing way, the checking, self-referencing, and then translating. Those are tools that can be used for that purpose when we practice and get feedback about this is working or not working from either the person speaking or from someone coaching us, like maybe it's you or me or someone else, and saying, oh, okay, that's it.
Yes, and I found it really helpful to have a mentor or coach and to take time out and practice using the skills. What you and I do a lot is role play. We both love doing it, and I learned a lot about using the tools by role playing with you. It was a low risk environment of trying things out, noticing how they're sitting in you when I use them, getting immediate feedback, and then correcting my course. Very quickly, I think I got pretty comfortable using the tools in ways that were satisfying both for me and for the people I was using it with.
And having fun doing it. This
Yes.
is not like rocket science. You have to study these long, but it's an interactive, satisfying way to connect. So in this YouTube channel, Heart Central, as it shows on my screen, Heart Central with Mair Online. If you're finding this random video, you can go over to Heart Central with Mair Online and see a bunch of videos. I think I don't know, 40 or 50 over there. And you can look at different things, what to do about no when someone says no, how to have difficult conversations, all these different tools, not rules, that are available. And if you want to do one-on-one with me, as you're saying, what you and I do, role plays or specific problem, specific solution. Let's just go there. So come and participate as you would like. Thanks, Mike.
Welcome, Mayor.